Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of beauty with one of the hottest picks from Colourpop, the Boys Town Lippie Stix Matte Lipstick.
This lipstick promises to deliver not only stunning color but also long-lasting wear and hydration.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Colourpop Boys Town Lippie Stix Matte Lipstick is hailed as one of the best in its class.
It comes in a full-size format with a creamy matte finish, perfect for those who love deep pinky brown shades. This product is not just about looks. It's also gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free, making it a great ethical choice for your makeup routine.
Let's break down what makes this lipstick stand out. Firstly, it's super pigmented, meaning you get rich color payoff with just one swipe. The matte finish ensures a velvety texture without drying out your lips. Plus, it's formulated to be moisturizing and long-wearing, so you can flaunt your look throughout the day without constant touch-ups. Now, let's talk application.
The slim, twist-up tube makes it easy to apply precisely, whether you're at home or on the go.
I'll demonstrate how it glides on smoothly, giving you a flawless finish.
I've been wearing this shade for a few hours now, and let me tell you, it still looks vibrant and feels comfortable on my lips.
It definitely holds up to its long wear claim. Compared to other matte lipsticks in the market,
the Boys Town Lippie Stix stands out for its combination of intense pigmentation and hydrating formula. It competes well with higher-end brands at a fraction of the cost, making it a budget-friendly yet effective choice for any makeup lover.
Before we wrap up, let's touch on customer feedback. Many users rave about how this lipstick stays put without feathering or smudging, even after hours of wear.
It's also received high ratings for its color accuracy and how well it suits various skin tones.
Overall, if you're looking for a dependable matte lipstick that delivers on quality and performance, I highly recommend giving the Colourpop Boys Town a try. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Colourpop Boys Town Lippie Stix Matte Lipstick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this lipstick or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.